Look up. Come on in, everyone. Come on in. Enjoy the view. Look at this. Look at this. Look how beautiful nature is. No matter what you're going through, no matter how much stress you have, look up. You are not alone. But enjoy. Enjoy the vibes. So come into my community and enjoy clouds, animal, sounds of birds, nature, also my voice. So come on in everyone, relax and enjoy. A lot more to come. So join my community so you can enjoy beautiful clouds, beautiful plants, cute, beautiful animals, sweet sounding sounds of birds. So guys, come on in, everyone. Positive love, always. Love more, always. Big Bear, Yossi. Love you guys. Come on in. Enjoy. Beautiful view. Thank you guys.